Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can use BeReal application. So firstly you need to download the application from Play Store or App Store. Then after downloading, just press open. Now you will find some details about the application. You can just simply read it or just press skip at the top right corner. Then add your details like name, date of birth, then your phone number, and now it will send you a OTP. Just simply enter the OTP. After entering the OTP, just press continue. Again, just press continue and allow all the permission that it asks. And then you can add few friends which are already available on the platforms, or you can invite some friends who are still not yet on the platform. So after doing that, you can just simply press escape. Let me show you now how you can take a BeReal. For that, first let me delete my BeReal. So now simply what you have to do is, for taking a BeReal, either click on the white button under your friend's BeReal or just go to discovery and click the white button over there. I will just choose over there, and then it will ask few permissions. Just give it. Now take the BeReal and just simply press send. And that will upload your BeReal. And if you want to add caption to your BeReal, just simply press on add caption and add a caption. And now you will also have the access to discovery panel where everyone else is posting their BeReal. And from now on, every day, any time of the day, you will be given a notification which, if you click, you have to submit your BeReal at any time of the day. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.